Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. If you just switched from Windows to macOS, this little blue smiley face, Finder, is probably confusing you. A lot of people think it's just the Mac version of File Explorer. But no, Finder is way more powerful if you know how to use it. Today, we're going from beginner to pro in just a few minutes. First, the interface. The column on the left is the sidebar. It's your shortcut to the most important stuff. The Finder sidebar is split into three main parts: favorites, locations, and tags. You can drag any folder and drop it into the sidebar for quick access. When you're done, just right-click and choose Remove from Sidebar, or drag it out until you see the X, then release. Don't worry, your original folder stays exactly where it was. Locations shows your Mac's internal drive, external drives, memory cards, and iOS devices like your iPhone or iPad when they're plugged in. Tags shows color labels like red, orange, blue, or custom keywords you've added to files. Clicking on a tag instantly filters all the tagged files on your Mac, no matter where they're stored. Finder has 4 view modes. Don't just stick with the default. Icon view is great for images. You can arrange files and folders anywhere you want. If it gets messy, right-click and choose Clean Up By. Want more control? Click Show View Options. List View is for detailed organization. Its biggest strength? The tiny arrows next to folders. Click them to expand subfolders without opening a new window. Perfect for sorting by file attributes. Column View. This one's my favorite, and a favorite for power users. Click a folder, and a new column opens on the right. You'll never get lost. The full path is always visible. It's super fast to move around. Gallery View is ideal for designers or anyone working with big visuals. You get a giant preview with details on the right. Use the shortcuts Command 1, 2, 3, or 4 to quickly switch between these views. And here's macOS's secret weapon: Quick Look. Instead of double-clicking a file and waiting for an app to load, just select the file and press space. Boom! Instant preview. It works with images, videos, PDFs, Excel sheets, everything. Press space again to close it. macOS comes with some pretty weird default settings, so let's clean that up real quick. First, go to the Finder menu and open Settings. In the General tab, look for New Finder Windows Show. Change it from Recents to Home or Desktop. That way, every new window or tab opens exactly where you want. Next, switch over to the Advanced tab. Turn on Show All File Name Extensions. You don't want your Mac hiding extensions like .jpg or .pdf. Seeing the full extension helps you know exactly what kind of file you're opening, and it keeps you safer from viruses. Still in the Advanced tab, enable Keep Folders on Top in Windows when sorting by name. By default, macOS mixes files and folders together, which drives Windows users crazy. Turning this on keeps all your folders at the top, making everything way easier to find. Here's a big one that surprises almost everyone. On a Mac, there's no real cut command for files. Pressing Command X basically does nothing. So here's how you actually move a file. Select your file, press Command C to copy it. Then go to the folder you want and hit Command Option V. That's the Move Item Here command. Just remember, adding the Option key means move. If you want to duplicate a folder in the same place, press Command D. Now here's where macOS is actually smarter than Windows. On Windows, when you copy a folder, it immediately creates a full physical copy. That takes time, and it eats up space. But on macOS, thanks to the APFS file system, you get something called Copy on Write. Basically, it creates a reference copy that doesn't take any extra space. not until you actually make changes to that copy. So you can clone huge folders in seconds without filling up your disk. And with tags, even if your files are scattered all over your Mac, you can pull them into a single smart view with just one click. It's incredibly powerful for staying organized. There's a full tutorial on using tags in the video linked below if you want to go deeper. There's a super underrated feature in Finder called the path bar. Go to View, Show Path Bar, and you'll see it appear at the bottom of the window. Why is it useful? Because now you always know exactly where you are in your folder structure. And the best part? You can drag and drop files into any folder along that path. It makes navigating way faster. Next up, Smart Folders. Spotlight Search mixes in web results, messages, and all sorts of stuff you don't want. So if you want a clean, professional search, open Finder and press Command F. Here, you get a super flexible set of filters that can handle almost anything you need. For example, I can search for JPG photos that are at least 10 megabytes and were created this week. Then, click the Save button in the top right corner. Give your filter a name, make sure you check Add to Sidebar, and then save it. Finder will create a smart folder in your sidebar. This folder updates automatically. Any file that matches your conditions will show up there on its own. No more manual sorting. If you want to get fast in Finder, here are the shortcuts worth memorizing. Command-T, New Tab. Command-N, New Window. Command-Shift-G, open the Go to Folder box. Command-Option-V, move a file. Space, Quick Look. Command-D, duplicate. Enter, rename. Command-Delete, delete. Command-Z, undo. Finder really isn't hard, it just works differently than Windows. Hope these tips help you get way more confident using it. If there's a macOS topic you want me to cover next, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.